Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Locky Learning. In this video, we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics Class 8 Chapter 20 Exercise 20B question number 4. Of this is the first part, right? So we have to construct a rectangle ABCD and the given dimensions AB 8 centimeters, BD 10 centimeters. AB is your 8 centimeters, BD is 10 centimeters. So there's two properties that we'll be using in this. That is, first of all angles are 90 degree. All angles are equal to 90 degree in a rectangle. Okay, and then second one will be that diagonals are equal. Now what are diagonals? Diagonals are the two sides that connect the opposite points on a rectangle, in a rectangle, right? So I'll show you here, just give me a second. Like, suppose I have a rectangle with me, right? So let me just bring that one up here. So this is my rectangle that I have got, and this rectangle, in this rectangle, what you can see here is that it has four sides. Okay, my rectangle has four sides, as you can see here. So there will be two diagonals that will be made in my rectangle, and what will be the two diagonals? One diagonal will be connecting from, will be coming from this point, and it will go till this point, right? And the other one will go from this point to this point. So these are the two lines. In a rectangle, all the diagonals, both the diagonals are equal, right? So they are equal. Now see how I'll use this. First step is to take your ruler, and as usual you will make 8 centimeters on it, right? So here I have my ruler. We'll begin with this, will be 8 centimeters, right? Let me change the thickness, that will be better. So we've got here, let's make one 8 centimeter line segment here. After this, what you're gonna do, from this you'll pick up and make 90-degree angles on both the sides, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my compass and I'll open this compass to a radius, suitable radius, less than half of this, let's say. So we'll take 3.5, that will be better. So we'll keep it here, and now you can also keep on marking whatever points you've got. This is your point A, this one's your point B, and this is of 8 centimeters. We'll do that later. Now keep your compass at point A, right? You all know how to make 90-degree angle, so we'll make that right here. Just see, this will go from this way till here, right? That should be fine, we don't need much. Then this is going to be 60 degrees, right? And then this one will be 120, right? Now cut another arc here. This is going to be your arc for the 90 degrees. Now keep your compass at 120 degrees, move this and cut one more point here. That's your 90 degrees. You will join this line, okay, from A using your ruler. So we are gonna just join these two lines here from point A, right? We will join this thing up till here. Wait a second, right? So this will be coming here like this. Now this is joined, and what I'm going to do next is that I'm going to make the 90-degree angle on the other side as well, right? So like this. Now we'll make 90 degrees on the other side also, right? So from point B we'll keep it here. It's not coming that accurate here on my computer, but on the paper you should make this accurately. It will come if you follow the right steps, right? The radius you can take the same, or if you feel like you can even change, it's not mandatory, but make sure now then when you're cutting the arcs you don't change the radius, right? Till that point you could have changed it. Let's cut one more arc here. So that's going to be your 120, right? Let me keep this here correctly. That's going to be 120 degrees. Let's cut one more arc here, and from this point again we'll cut an arc here. So that's what, this is your point B. Sorry, let me change this to the line, right? So this one is your point B, and this is 90 degrees, right? Now see over here, what we've got here actually is that we have to now make one line only that's remaining, right? So the only line that's actually remaining now is CD, right? That's connecting the two lines. So what I'm going to do right now is, see, I'll come from point C and I'll join these two. So we'll have it like this. We'll take your compass here, and with this compass what you're gonna do, you'll take this compass, right, and now make the diagonals. How you'll make the diagonals? See, you will take this and open this compass to 10 centimeters, because length of one diagonal is what? It's 10 centimeters, right? Then keep that one at each of these 2 points. We have A, we have B, so we'll keep the compass here, and I will cut one arc from point B like this. Then at point A again I'll keep it, right? So that's going to be like this. This one should be fine, right? We'll keep this and I'll cut one more arc over here. Okay, so that will complete the arc process. Let me cut this one up. Okay, and we will now do what? We will join these two. So see this one here with a straight line, we will be joining it. So that's gonna be your figure like this, right? It's joined. Now see, what I'm gonna do here is that I'll it's not coming that accurate here, but again on the paper it's gonna come accurate. Okay, and now this figure, you can see it is completed. So we'll do the labelings right now. Okay, this angle is of 90 degrees from point B. This angle A is also of 90 degrees, and AB is of 8 centimeters, and also join the diagonals that you have made. Now after this, when you have joined these, you will join these two diagonals too, from this point and from this point that you have cut the arcs upon. So the diagonals too are of 10 centimeters here, right? Like this, you can label the diagonals. It's important to label each and everything. Don't miss out on anything, otherwise the marks might be cut. So this one is C, and this point here is D. Then this is 8 centimeters, and all the two sides here we don't have their measurements, so we don't need to write that down. So that's it, and friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like on this one. Till then, take good care of yourselves, and bye bye.